I made another step for the hens. The board won't move. I have it tied down to the crates. I'm going to take that other one by and have Doug extender connect to that one, but have it half that size so some of the littler ones can get up on there. They may get up on their plane today. And I went out on the other side of the property and got some more dry dirt, filled up their holes with it, but and I put a bunch over here. Yep, you full of dust. Yep, you hogged up that whole space, huh? I put a whole bucket of sand in there, dry dirt. Yep, I tried to get all the little rocks out of it that I could. Y'all just kicking up the dust. Well, not enough room in there for all of you? Huh? That's ostrich legs. Look how much longer her legs are compared to the other ones. That's the last batch that we got at the same place. I'm going to start buying hens somewhere else, though. Yeah. And Daddy wasn't checking them over first. There's a couple of them with... Two of them, they got deformed toes. But they're moving and flying around really good. Yeah. Some of them just look weird. Yeah, I need to give me some different kind of hens. Yeah. You go shake off, that sand's gonna fly everywhere. You're just having a ball in there, aren't you? Huh. What do you think about it? No comment? No comment? What are you girls doing? And I poured another bucket of dirt over there. That one got in that one. You're just gonna lay there all day? Just wallowing around in that. Get that sand up in you. Shake some of that dirt off. You just gonna leave it on your back? What? She ain't gonna get up. They love their dirt baths. I guess I gotta get me some more buckets of dirt. Gotta go get me some more buckets of dirt. You're just gonna stay in there, aren't you? You ain't getting nobody else a turn. Are you waiting your turn? I don't think it's gonna happen. As soon as I walk away, then she'll get up and shake off. And that dust just goes up flying. That's what they like doing, though. Huh. Y'all standing in line? That's very polite of you. I know, she's taking forever. You'll get your turn next. I gotta organize some of this stuff to get a bucket out of there. Get the treats stacked up there. And Mom's got too much stuff laying around. Got 2 water buckets, a swimming pool, hanging feeder, and 2 ground feeders. Y'all don't go hungry. I did give them some frozen berries today. Blueberries that I had in the freezer. And then I threw out some frozen pieces of corn. So they definitely had their treats today. Oreo.